One TV special report.
Go around the Philippines. Go to the barrios. Di isang nurse wala. Unsay na midwife, kay magpaanak. Ang mga Pilipino, mahilig manganak. My family is one of them. Ayun kasi ako kasigurado, big family. Sa kadusina, sa tinood lang, almost a dozen. Kasi 11 me. Almost 13, kasi nakuhaan ko twice akong mama. Akong eldest namatay, wala na ako naabdan. I live with 10 siblings. Inanak ka sa Pilipinas, kumihan tayo mga anak, no? Left and right ang anak. Pero, unang 110 million Filipinos na karoon, pilang atong land area. Pero, because Filipinos consider children as wealth. But the healthcare system was not prioritized. Karon under the Duterte administration, it was at the top 5. And karon doon na tayo legislation, siguro suportaan nato. Kung dili man ipapasar at this term, i-push nato for the next Congress, no? Kinahanglan yun, as much as possible, even the barangays. Kaganina niingon si beloved Coco na kinahanglan na ay advisory council. Actually, advisory council na para sa mga OFW dapat at the barangay level. In the same manner na atong mga hospitalization and medical care should be available also at the barangay center. Ang atong mga barangay healthcare workers, sila na may galawa ito, honorarium. Kung saan niya paghatag sa servisyo, usan sa katao, pila ka thousands, pila ka hundreds ang iyang kaservisyoan. We should recognize our healthcare workers. Daghan tayo pag-graduate na nurse, pero walay trabaho. Kaya wala natagaan o priority ang healthcare system. Ang unsay kahitabo, taga nato ng graduate na nurses, mga to sa lahing nasod. So it's high time that we give due recognition to our healthcare system and our healthcare workers as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Last two questions. Glenroy Tuluna, the XBB, and then last na lang.
Okay. Unsa nga kinaiya o hiyas na naa ni Yusek Astra na wala sa ubang senatorial aspirants o nganong siya man ang among pilihon?
Grabe kayo. Actually, pag Miss Universe na question. World peace. Unsay naa sa ako, siguro ang akong kasinatian na nagsugod ko sa pinakamababang posisyon sa gobyerno. I think not one of them started where I started. And because I started, I have humble beginnings in my government service. I will remain the same as well I was taga-timpla ng kami. And rest assured, pag nasa opisina kita, titimpihan kita ng kami.
May magtustanan, sabi na sa itong bisita na si Ma'am Astra o sa itong mga presidential people karon. Minsan nakalimutan ka nimo kanina, Ma'am, nga si Mayor Sara Duterte mauwi gi-adapt sa Pinipilaban. Posible ka, Ma'am, nga si Bongbong Marcos o sa pag-inyong Pilipinas?
Thank you sa question. So, everything is possible under the sun. All of the presidential candidates are being considered by PDP Laban. Pero, si Mayor Inday Sara, nung December pa nagkaroon ng discussion ng partido. So, syempre, bakit nauna si Mayor Inday Sara? Number one consideration is she was a party was also a previous partner of PDP Laban, katong Hugpong, no? So, kasi si President Duterte hugpong sa taong Suranon, pumunto yung di ba? Karon hugpong ng pagbabago ang kay Sara. But the core values of Hugpong, both nung sa tatay at ng kay Inday Sara, have the same core values with PDP Laban. Kaya usapan lang atong ginikanan, no? So, ang pangutana, kung posible ba kasi Marcos ay suportaan nato sa pagka-presidente. Sabi ko, it is still an open-ended question because we are looking at the qualities that will continue the programs not only of President Duterte but also of PDP Laban. So, pilit pa nato patubag ang pangutana karon because we are assessing na naka-appoint system kita. Kabalo mo ang PDP Laban, we observe consultative and participatory democracy. So, kini sila din tanan sila, pamutan na ako, through their leadership, si Congressman Waminan will ask all of them, he will submit to the national leadership kung saan ilang napag-istoryahan in the same manner that in all other provinces mo na ang atong ginahimo. So, dili automatic na siya. Kaya nga naman, he belongs to another political party. Hindi man po siya miyembro sa Lakas CFP, hindi po siya miyembro sa Hugpong. He belongs to the PFP. And that has a different set of principles and programs also. So kasama na sa i-assess na to, no? Kaya hindi automatic because we are not obligated to have automatic adoption just because Inday Sara is her katandem.
Okay, thank you. Naipakapol na mo, taga daw ang anak ni Board Examiners, no, Aiza?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ate. Good afternoon, Ate. Ate, I just want to ask this question personally since we've just met this morning and I'm so overwhelmed with the humility you gave us. What made you say yes to our invitation to visit our province, especially knowing all the threats and the security that we are facing right now? That even our local politicians are afraid of.
Siguro, maghahap kasi alam mo, I'm a risk taker. And in my life, it has always guided me. Alam mo yung tamang kutob. Yung kutob natin, I know, actually this is the first ever. And I'm very happy to announce that, no? Na since the time I filed my candidacy, this is the first PDP Laban gathering na pinuntahan ko.
Thank you, Ate, because the invitation was very late and then it was responded right away when we sent you the letter. For that, thank you very much.
So, dahil kaate mo rin ako, an eagle, di ba? Kung sa ba ang quality sa eagle? Ako, I would like to combine the eagle and the phoenix because my symbol is the phoenix. Ang agila, nasa sa ibabaw. Kung nakita niya ang sitwasyon sa tanan. That is why it's important for the eagle to fly high so that he will soar and he will see the situation. Kabalo siya when to fight, when not to fight. When to attack, when not to attack. And as a person, I always look at life that way. So, sa ako, you go higher. You do not allow challenges to hinder you from doing what you need to do. And ingon ana ang atong prinsipyo tungod kay kita, ikat ta sa ultimo nga tao. Dili ta musubot matungod na ay challenge sa atong kinabuhi, whether it's personal, it's professional, it's safety measures, its security measures, dili ka mo sugot nga dili nimo buhaton ang dapat nimo buhaton. So, in my service, in my mao gyapon na ang akong panuntunan. Whether I am an ordinary citizen, a private citizen, a government servant, mao na siya ang akong prinsipyo sa akong ginabuhi. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Ako mapasalamat kay Yusek Astra, Commander, and of course, ng mga provincial officials, city officials sa Ozames City. So, rest assured niya, mensahe, yata ka lang itubag ka na ng mga questions. Mapakabot sa tanang o sa Misnon, mapag sa Misnon, nagtanong na to through our local channels and our social media pages. Before natin i-wrap, ma'am, basin doon na kay pakakabot, yung closing statement for all of us na nagtanaw ka lang. And then, of course, after ato ko na auhabon si Kong si Haldini para sa Grace Before Meals.
Okay, thank you. So, as a closing, dili man yung kompleto, no? Ang inyong suporta sa ako, kung dili po ninyo suportahan ako, OFW. Okay. One at the same lang, no? And I need partner in the House of Representatives to advance all those programs that I have. And siguro akong pasalamat sa tanang mga taga Misamis Occidental, akong silingan, silingan na to, kay taga Bukidnon o taga Cagayan de Oro, no, pareho na tao rehiyon. And para sa tanan nato ng mga viewers sa FB Live, sa mga radyo, mga nagpaminaw karon, ako ang inyong sandigan, dili lamang sa COVID, tungod kay Astra akong alam, kundi ako ang inyong sandigan tungod kay ako nakasabot unsa ang inyong giagian, kay ang inyong giagian, ako po giagian. Daghang salamat sa atong tanan.
Thank you very much. We are thanking our media people, personalities for coming over. Ayaw kagoon, ma'am, kay kini para wala na pulo atong Royal Garden. Kini atong mga media people, they have thousands of Misnos na nagtanaw karon mo. Ilan po na isipya, so you are already campaigning the entire Misamis Occidental. Thank you very much. And of course, we are thanking our media, Manamutana, o wala namutana. Salamat kaayo ni Ate Nasa of Misamis Access sa Ozames News Channel, Kuya Bernard Lacson of AMC, Kuya Abad Cabrera of Farm Radio, Sir Lloyd Makiling of One TV, James Torrenado, Sir James of Oroqueta, thank you for coming over. Kuya Boy Visitacion of One TV, Sir Jonathan Lula of West Channel, Glenn Ray Luna, Johnny Tomei, John Philday Nungsod, Kuya Adonia Desena, Leoncha Medallion, Aris Carmel, thank you very much, our media personalities and social media practitioners o bloggers. Grabe kompleto takaraw. Thank you very much. Pakpakan sa lahat ng mga media. And of course, before we will proceed to the Ingo Senato is we could have the closing remarks and then pictorials and then prayer before meal para natin ang activity. First, I would just like to acknowledge our brothers and sisters coming all the way from Lanao del Sur. Thank you very much to our brothers and sisters, Jenaiba Atala, Asmin Nai, Jenaiba Nai, Engineer Sohaila Talar Nai, Jamael Nai, and Muhammad Nai for coming over to the beautiful city of Ozames. Welcome to our city and thank you for the love of travel that you have. Thank you very much. We will now have first the closing remarks. Nindot pag-uling nga ako sa unang closing remarks para ang kanan na makapaminaw po, di pa makauli ang kanan. Ladies and gentlemen, to give our closing remarks, let us give the microphone to the Honorable Board Member, Tito Tisina.
Okay, salamat po siya. Mayong hapon sa tanan. Una itong pasalamat sa tuwang Senator Pimentel. Pimentel lagi siya, kaya itong emphasize. Itong kaya Pimentel, kabalat na, kung siya'y natabang sa Misamis Occidental. Sa akong mga PDP officials, kaya karoon sa tubangan, hindi lang kita sa Tagsaon. Itong mga officials po sa Fraternal Eagles, sa Misamis Occidental Chapter, Goya, Atit, sa taga-media people, itong mga leaders, labing digit sa Osamis, headed by Mayor Lando and Vice Mayor Mary. Sa tanang dili na lang ako i-mention sa itong mga bisita from Lanao del Sur. Una, kinasing-kasing ng pagpasalamat ni Senator. Ingon niya ganina, una pa rin siya na PDP bali puro naghihimo ngayang diatinan. Kita din ang pinakauna sa Misamis Occidental. Ikaduha, ato siguro minumduman kita ng mga lideres sa probinsya sa Misamis Occidental kung kinsa ang author, kinsa ang amahan sa tuwang local government code. So, unsa po ako ang impact na natabang sa maong balaod nun na ipasakan ni Senator Pimentel. So, grabe ang impact at mga barangay officials, mga lideres na ito, napalingkod sila tungod sa maong balaod nun. Natagan sila sa mga mayong benepisyo tungod sa maong balaod nun. Kung natagan po na ito, napalingkod ang itong barangay officials, kita na ito, tungod sa mga benepisyo nila na dawat, napalingkod sa nila na itong tagsa-tagsa na barangay. Tungod sa Pimentel. So, ang pagpagan na nagawa sa Senator Pimentel niya. So, Senator na gano'n ang tawag. Tungod kay ang kami sa Misamis Occidental, gawas ka ng kampanya kami, iampo pagit na mo ang imong kausa, iampo pagit na mo ang imong kadaugan. Tungod kay ang kadaugan ni Senator Pimentel, kadaugan po dito sa probinsya sa Misamis Occidental. Ito kabalo kita tungod sa support ni Deputy Speaker Waminan o sa tanang mga lideres, mga mayores sa probinsya sa Misamis Occidental, hayag na ito ang kadaugan sa probinsya. So, magpalituan ang lahat sa taga-Misamis Occidental, advance na mo rin. Congratulations, Senator Pimentel. Kaya na ako siya.
Thank you very much, Honorable Board Member Tito Lucina. Thank you very much, Board. We will now proceed to the pictorials para maikot ang tanan. Probably will be requesting the Tanang officials both from
starting from the national officers, national president of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Eagle National President, Kuya Nelson Alonso Salabudin, Eagle National Secretary General, Kuya Jerry Daliana, Eagle National Chief of Staff of the Office of the President and Field Director, Kuya G.M. Lianes. Eagle Senior Field Director, Kuya Cesar Yamuta. Jeffrey Gundaya. Kahaba Eagle Star, Eagle President Luisito Villanueva. Pagkakaba Eagle Star, Eagle President Roy Risa. Bukanan Eagle Star, Eagle President Ramonito Dalpias. Sorry, we forgot our regional Rossi seminar director, Eagle Puya, Carmelito Pilar. Our guest of honor and speaker, Yusef Eagle Benito Ranpe.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise to honor for the posting of our national colors. Let us all welcome our color guard from AFP Reservists.
Attention to our National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Eagle Kuya Nelson Alonso Ceremony Protocol to order.
By the power vested in me as your National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles for the year 2022, the 27th chartering anniversary and installation of Western Mindanao Region, Club, Officers and Regional Officers for the year 2022 to order.
Please
remain standing for our Eagle Universal Prayer, to be followed by our national anthem.
Of the cherished goals and objectives of our beloved fraternity. We beseech you, all-powerful God, to enrich our hearts, to enlighten our minds, and to broaden our understanding and compassion to one another as we carry and pursue our goals and objectives, not only on this particular occasion, but also on the many times of our striving and endeavors. Please, Almighty God, elevate our spirit and fortify our steps as we seek to keep and edify our fraternity, everyone in whom, and as we strive perseveringly to enhance and strengthen our national brotherhood. All these are in our hearts. We fervently ask under your supreme guidance and direction. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
One TV special report.